Hey there, Exquisites. How's everybody doing today? Wow. Like, welcome to Houston, right? Who knew, right? This has a very metaphoric energy to it, like a metaphor for life. Clearly, our politics is shifting, paradigms are shifting. But you know what all of this says, to me at least, is that Mother Nature is running this big ball of a planet. Ultimately, whether it's fires or blizzards, Mother Nature is running this. God Almighty, the spirits above, is running this. So, there's a lot going on, and it's wobbly and it's disturbing and it's, off. But this lets me know, no, Big Mama, Mother Nature, God Almighty has got all of this. No matter the obstacle, challenge, or noise, always know you are exquisite. I'm India E. You are exquisite. Now stay warm.